African mentality are destroying our people in Europe. Please, don't use African mentality anymore. Okay? Hey guys, welcome back to Vita Naturale TV. How is everyone doing? I hope all is well. So my amazing people, today is back to school vlog. So before I will dash into this video, in case you are new here, you are highly welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Remember, in this channel I do cooking, vlogging and reviews. That is what I'm doing here on my channel. Okay, and today's video, I just want to show you what I bought for my daughter to start school. You guys know that here in Italy it's very difficult right now. We are passing through difficulties, but by the special grace of God, everything is still going well. Okay, you guys know that last time I showed you video where I went to hospital and take my COVID-19 vaccine. So in case you live here, you are a mom, you are a family person, you haven't taken your COVID-19 vaccine, look guys, it's very, very important, most especially we Africans. Okay, because according to the law here in Italy, it's obligatory. You must surely take your vaccine before making any traveling. So my amazing people, I will be showing you the things I got for my daughter to start school, because my daughter is in the second Amendia, which means GSS 2. So we bought a lot of books, guys. It's not easy. Okay, so let me just show you everything. Stay tuned. Okay guys, here are the things. So I will start by showing you these textbooks. So as you can see, this one is still new one. It comes like this. Look at it. It's a new textbook. Okay, so we have a lot of it here. This is another one. This is Alfabeto dell'arte. Okay, so this is another one here. This is another one. This is another one also. So we have a lot of it here. It's very, very many. So my advice, as I'm doing this video right now, I just want to advise some women out there. As you can see, here is a pencil case. I also bought this one, and this is glue. So at times they use all this one in school, and this is another. This one is exercise books. Okay, all this one are still very new. I haven't opened them yet, so you see them. So we have pencil, colors and other things. And here is her school bag. Here is her school bag. So here is it, best friends. Actually, this school bag, I bought it last year, so it's still very new. I don't want to buy another one again. Okay, let me be showing you the textbooks, because the books are very, very many. So my amazing people, my message today is for my African people. Please guys, to train children here in Europe is not easy. Okay, it's not easy to train children, and most especially when you have plenty kids. Please, I watched a video a few days ago. The France government, they collected some African parents. They collected their 5 kids. They collected 5 kids from them. My dear brothers and my sister, if you know say you know fit take care of pikin, there is no need when you go carry them come this world. Please sew your coat according to your size. You guys know that here in Europe, most especially here in Italy, the government don't help anybody to train children. They don't help anybody. They don't give anybody money. Okay, maybe I will say, okay, for those people who are living in camp, they might be giving you like 20 euro in a day. What is 20 euro? As long as you are regular here in Italy, you have your house, you have your document and everything. If you have babies here, the government, they will not be paying you every month. Why? Because you are working. You have your house, you are regular. There is no need for the government to help you. Like me, I always use myself as an example. Okay? Me and my husband, we have been living here now for so many years. I gave birth to my daughter here. Right now, my daughter is in GSS 2, 12 years old, and my son is 7 years old, going to 8. So my husband is regular. I don't collect money from government. The government are not helping me to take care of my children. We work day and night. We work. So please, my dear brothers and my sisters, sew your coat according to your size. Okay? You cannot have 5 children when your husband is jobless. Just look at these books. I pay money to buy all these books. This is textbooks, so textbooks. Okay? You can see it now. This one now, my daughter is still going to use this particular one in GSS 3. Okay, she's going to use this one in GSS 3. Look at it. This is a gel blog, Il Mondo in classe. This one now, she will use this one in GSS 3 also. You see it here? They wrote 3 here. She's going to use this one in GSS 3. So we bought the one of GSS 2 and GSS 3 with our own money. I don't depend on government. So those people that they are collecting children from them, I'm very, very sorry for those people, because it's painful. It's not easy, guys, for you to give birth to your children, and at the end of the day, government will just come and collect those kids from you. It's very, very painful. So my dear brothers and my sisters, sew your coat according to your size. If you know that you don't have the capacity to take care of plenty kids, why not give birth to 1 or 2? Maybe with time, by the time you know that, okay, you are not capable, you now have a good job, then before you start having babies again. But most of African people, I'm telling you, the way you guys are behaving in Europe is unbearable. How can you give birth to 5 children when you know that you as a woman, you don't have a job? You as a man, you don't have a job. You just depend on government. By the time your child misbehave and you beat that child, they will go to school and report to teachers. Why? If they report to teachers, the teachers are going to call assistant social. They will collect those children from you. They will say that you are not capable to take care of your children. Let me tell you, even the white people, they do beat their children. If their children do anything wrong, they console them, they beat them. But if you depend on government, before you know it, Italy will say, subito, subito, they will come and collect those children from you. They will say that, oh, the money that we are giving you, for you to use it and maintain your children, educate them very well, you are not beating them. It's very, very bad. So, my dear brothers and my sister, sew your coat according to your size, okay? So, these books that you guys are seeing here now, we bought this book by our own money. Look at some of them here. We still have some here. Let me show you. This one is another set of books again. This one. Look at this one here. You see it? So these books, they are very, very costly. Very, very cost. This is Scienza. In Italiano, they call it Scienza. La magia scienza, which is science. This one is 2. You see? See all of them? All this one, I bought this one last year. You can see here it's tall. I bought this one last year. She used it for GSS 1, and most of them, she's going to use it in GSS 2 and GSS 3. So that is the reason why this one is available here right now. So my dear brothers and my sister, government in Italy don't give anybody money, okay? As for me, I don't earn anything from government. So all these things, I bought them with my hard-earned money. So please, sew your coat according to your size. I still dey talk am. If you know that you cannot train your children, you don't have the capacity, don't depend on government. Stop giving birth. Stop giving birth. 2, 3, it's okay for you. Depend on what you earn, depend on your salary. Okay, depend on your salary. Don't start having children and depend on government. You still see this one, we still have the label here. Look at it. And also, lest I forget, I also bought tablet for my daughter. Yeah, this is the tablet here. Okay, let me do this very well. This is the tablet. This is new tablet. So the reason why I bought this tablet for her, you can see it, it's one way MediaPad T5. So she can use it. Okay, let me open it, guys. Look at it. Here is the tablet. So that she can use it on her own. You see it? It's a new one. So here is the tablet. So they have the charger inside and everything is inside. Both the earphones and everything is inside. You can see it now. So she can use this one maybe when they give her homework, or she have any research to do on Google. You guys know here in Europe, you know, the way they study here is different from Africa. So I just decided to buy this one for her. So that is it, my amazing people. Please, guys, please take good care of your children. Don't depend on government. Okay, we are not in Africa. Here don't be Africa, my people. Because in Africa, you will see somebody will have 10 kids, 7 kids. At the end of the day, you cannot even proud as a parent that you trained your child. Your child, at least among of 7 children you have, you will be proud of 5. As a graduate, they have good job. You cannot even be proud of that. Please, don't behave like those people in Africa. African mentality are destroying our people in Europe. Please, don't use African mentality anymore. Okay? Don't use African mentality anymore. There are so many people, the white people here in Italy, I have seen a lot of them. Most of them, they have money. They are millionaires. But you'll be very surprised. Some of them, they have 1 child. Some of them 2. Maximum, if it's too much, is 3. They have 3 children. And those children are well taken care of. Please, my people, when I saw that video, I was very, very sad. How can France government just take away 5 children? 5 good children from their parents? Is very, very bad. So, my dear people, please, let's do things right. You see those books that I just showed you now? These books, they cost a lot. They cost a lot. Okay, so it's not easy, most especially here in Italy. That is the reason why you see some people, when they are pregnant here in Italy, they always run to Germany. They run to Germany to seek for help. They run to Germany to seek for government help, so that government will be happy then to take care of their children. I don't like it. It's very bad. Why not work hard? Work hard, okay? Look for a job. Wait for your document. If you know that you don't have job, you don't have better job that you are doing, stop to bear children. Okay, so that is what I want to say here today. Thank you all so much for watching. So that is it. This is what I got for. This is just for only my daughter. Only my daughter, not for my son. This is just my daughter alone. You see, they say here in Europe, you know, women, they love pink. So this is pencil case. You see, 7. This is pencil case 7. So my daughter like anything pink. She like it so much. And her bag also, her school bag. Her school bag. This is best friends. You see, anything pink, she love it so much. So my amazing people, thank you all so much. That is what I have for you guys today. And please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you till I come your way again. Bye.